We developed Mr. Connect to support everyone. Mr. Connect is built for everyone. I'm Rosie Cayetano. I'm the Senior Manager of Communications at Mr. Car Wash. The way we were connecting with our employees before we launched Mr. Connect in 2021, we had a weekly newsletter, which was a PDF document that we emailed to our leadership teams. We also had a SharePoint site that was available to managers and above, but it was very limited. It essentially was a document repository. All of these communications that I'm talking about are for managers and above. And we have at least 5,000 employees that are not managers, that are not in offices. And we really were limited in how we communicated with them. We have locations that process 1,500 cars upwards a day. They do not have time to sit in an office on a computer searching through this version or that version. They need what is most current. And so the idea that we will be able to deliver that to them in a simple tool on their mobile device while they're continuing to serve our customers is phenomenal. The thing we really liked about Staffbase when we selected Staffbase as our intranet provider and our mobile app provider to build out Mr. Connect is that it's easy to learn, it's easy to set up your environment. We were able to focus on our content and our messaging as opposed to having to write code and to figure out the nuts and bolts of building an intranet site. That was all taken care of for us. Mr. Car Wash is a company that is very entrepreneurial. We're energetic, we're fast-paced, we're dynamic. Our team members operate and succeed with those same characteristics. And any technology that we adopt has to be able to scale and grow with us because we are moving and we're moving fast. I can say that Staffbase listens, and if it's a great idea, just like Mr. Car Wash, it's gonna get implemented. And Staffbase continues to develop new technology and new updates that support that. One of the biggest initiatives that we're really excited about that we see rolling out with Mr. Connect in the coming year is the use of AI. Essentially, we want to provide an AI companion for our team members. So if a manager goes into our intranet and says, hey, I have to interview this person, what kind of questions should I ask during this interview? We would like something, a little bubble or whatever, to pop up and say, well, these are the questions you should ask, and these are the things you should look for, and here's the document that you would need. The idea that we're actually going to be able to provide that is so exciting. And it will save so much time and energy, not only delivering the information and saving time on search, but making sure they're getting the right information. That's huge for us. When I think about Mr. Car Wash and our core values, we care, we work hard, and we have fun. I can honestly say that Mr. Connect, our intranet, represents that. And I am so excited about all the things that we are going to do moving forward to really further that agenda and support those values, because that is the core of who we are and what we represent.